This is the chicken house. Oh, the chicken house. Oh.
That's how you open it. Oh, I hear them. Are you guys warm in there? Is there another latch, darling?
I don't know.
It won't open. Oh. Remind me. Boy. They really got them in there secure.
What if they get out?
Oh, hello! How are you doing? You want to come in here, Terry?
Sure.
But you can't let them out.
Oh,
Oh, boy, you got all kinds of eggs.
oh, the chicken house.
Oh, you take more?
Where are the eggs?
Oh, the eggs over here. There's only 4.
Where, let's see. Where are they? You already pick them up?
No, they're in there. See?
Where? Okay, well, we'll get some sleeves. We'll look at their eggs.
See the
How
eggs?
come they're always only in one spot? Why isn't there any eggs over here?
I don't know. Sometimes they lay them on the floor. Lord, take a picture of me picking up the eggs. Hey, kick. No, don't get in there. You have any more somewhere else?
They probably don't like you stealing their eggs. Hello, girls.
This one here is, Betty says roosting. You have eggs in there? Is there more? I don't see any. I guess they're okay. I'm sorry I didn't bring you anything. Maybe tomorrow.
Hey.
You got any eggs underneath there?
Hey, chicken. Hello, chicken. Hello there.
Oh, I found another egg.
Hello
You have any more? She just laid one.
there, chicken. Okay.
Alright.
So we done?
Yeah.
Okay. Goodbye.
Alright.